Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Kanaki Aviation. This is Operation Goodwood Japan 13.4. For tech rolls, we're going for jet fighters and LRA. LRA are yellow. And we got LRA to stage 3. Then for the purchase, I've got 73 IPP. I'll be saving 1. I'll be completing the 4 heavy battleships in P16, then moving the heavy fleet carrier to stage 2, then getting 4 or 5 artillery in Kaishu, 1 miner factory in Nanking, plus a militia. Then in Korea, I'll be getting 2 militia and 2 militia upgrades. Alright, on to combat. Let's just see if I have any. I don't believe I do. Nothing really worth taking at the moment. So we'll just get on to non-combats. Okay, the transport in P50 takes 2 infantry from Sarawak, goes 1-2 to IE-11, and unloads in Calcutta. The artillery in Bengal rails to Calcutta. The infantry in Barons to Calcutta, same as southern India. The tank in British Malaya goes... This transport's actually gonna bring those 2 infantry to British Malaya and then go in port. The sub in P50 will go 1, 2, 3, 4 to P16. The 2 battleships and transport in P43 go 1-2 to P16. The whole fleet's going to be moving there. They also take a marine and an infantry and drop them in Tokyo. The fleet in P15 has 2 light cruisers, 4 heavy cruisers, and a battle cruiser. Move to P16. And then the whole fleet in P32 also goes to P16. So that's another heavy cruiser, 2 fleet carriers, and then that's 7 transports. And 4 light carriers. And 2 subs. And 3 more destroyers. That's a big navy. Okay. The coastal destroyers and coastal subs in P51 will go 1 to P42. The airborne in Kaishu will fly over to Nanking with 2 air transports. I think that's about good. So now on to place units. The 4 heavy battleships go to P16. Then the militia and minor factory go to Nanking. Two militia upgrades into Korea, and then two militia, and then 5 artillery in Kaishu, and that should be good. So now disposition of units. Let me just move this task force marker here. All right. So in Calcutta, I've got 3 infantry and 4 artillery and 1 medium armor. In British Malaya, I've got 2 infantry, medium armor, and a transport import. In P-42, I've got 2 coastal subs and 2 torpedo boat destroyers. In Nanking, I've got 2 airborne, a militia, a marine, 3 medium armor, 2 cavalry, 2 air transports, an artillery, and 8 infantry. In Korea, I've got 6 infantry and 2 militia. In Kaishu, I've got 6 artillery and 1 infantry. And then in Tokyo, I've got 6 infantry, 1 marine, and 3 fighters, and 4 tacticals, and a seaplane. And then in P-16, I've got 8 transports, 4 light carriers, 2 fleet carriers, 5 heavy cruisers, a battle cruiser, 3 subs, 2 destroyers, 2 battleships, 4 heavy battleships. And yeah. So Japan ends with 44. Let's just see if I get any bonuses. 44 plus 1, so that's 45. I still have Java and British Malaya and Borneo, so that's 6. So that's 51. Plus I have Hunan and Nanking. So that's another 2. So that's 53. Japan ends with 53. On to the Commonwealth.